Whether you are an artist, writer, or simply looking for ways to boost your creativity, journaling can be a powerful tool in your creative process. By taking the time to reflect on your thoughts and emotions, you can gain clarity about what inspires you and what blocks you. Journaling can also help calm your fears, boost your self-awareness, and generate more creative ideas. In this video post, I will share 5 fun journal prompts that can help you tap into your creative potential and unleash your imagination. Free writing. This is a classic journaling exercise that involves writing down whatever comes to your mind without worrying about grammar, spelling, or punctuation. The goal is to let your thoughts flow freely, without self-censoring or editing. You can set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes and just write whatever comes to your mind. This practice is helpful in overcoming writer's block, boosting your confidence, and generating new ideas. Describe your perfect day. This prompt is great for visualizing your ideal life and setting goals for yourself. Imagine your perfect day, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. Write down every detail about your surroundings, your activities, people you are with, and how you feel. This exercise can help you identify what truly matters to you and motivate you to work towards your dreams. Write a letter to your future self. Imagine yourself at a future point in your life, whether it's in a year, 5 years, or 10 years. Write a letter to that future self, describing how you hope your life will be at that point in time. Share your aspirations, your fears, your achievements, and your challenges. This exercise is a great way to gain perspective on your life, see your progress, and check in with yourself to see if you are on track toward your goals. Create a character. If you are a writer or an artist, this is a fun exercise that can help you create new stories or artworks. Imagine a character in your mind, from their appearance to their personality, their likes and dislikes, and their backstory. Write down every detail about this character as if you were sketching him out in your journal. You can also draw a picture of this character and use it as a reference later on. Gratitude journaling. This prompt is a simple but powerful tool to cultivate a positive mindset and boost your well-being. At the end of each day, write down 3 things that you are grateful for. They can be big or small things, such as having a good meal, spending time with loved ones, or simply having a roof over your head. This practice can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life and appreciate the good things that happen to you every day. Conclusion. Journaling is a valuable tool that can enhance your creativity and personal growth. By taking the time to reflect on your thoughts and emotions, you can gain clarity about your goals, overcome your fears, and tap into your imagination. Whether you use one of these journal prompts or develop your own, incorporating journaling into your daily routine can be a life-changing practice. So pick up a journal and start writing today. For more journal prompts that spark creativity, use the link in the description to try our guided journaling app or visit try.journalparty.com.